walk around.
It's silly. Are you skiing?
Look at you! That's actually really good,
Bud,
Brayden.
I'm proud of you. You're doing such a good job for your first time.
I'm walking on the snow.
Go that way. Good job.
Look, here, I'll move Daddy's sweatshirt. Okay. Watch out, Chair. I'm skiing. Now straighten out.
Good job.
Whoops, they're crossed. Hold on. Hold on to me. There you go.
You like them?
Yeah.
Now what do we need?